Your third one is your transparency file. Now you notice these are text 1, text 2, and that's trans. Okay, so your TGA always goes under the trans section. Now we just save that and we exit. Now this is the D92, so we select all 4 files, we copy them, we take them down to our vehicles folder, and we put them into the 202 texture. Werburn, why didn't they give it a better name? D92. And we just paste it in. Right, all our files are pasted in. So now we can start. Bad desktop. Now we can start Omsi and see what happens. Okay, right. So let's start Omsi. I like to have Omsi when I'm testing in window mode in case I need to just change things. Right, let's start it. I really wish they'd make this game load faster, but there are some maps that load really fast. And if you're looking for one, the best one is called the driver training or driver testing. Brilliant map, loads within a few seconds, but I haven't reloaded it since my hard drive crashed. I'm not in the mood for downloading it. Okay, there we go. Now let's go to our bus. So we're going to select a D92 and we're going to select the COD. Now if we have any errors, this is where it's going to show. Okay. And this green writing that's showing up here is one of the ENB series that I use that increases the graphics of the game. Makes it look a little bit nicer. Okay, and there it is, COD. Right, let's have a look what's happened. Okay, we can see there's our guy, and he's over the window. There's our Call of Duty over the back window. And there's our guns over the door. Great, so it all looks like it worked. Let's just load it in. Okay, and let's just move this bus a bit so we can have a better look. Right, so as you see, Call of Duty is on the back windows. You can see there what I meant by it. You can now see through the man by Gaussian blurring the TGA file. Whereas if you look at the, let me go into the bus actually. There we go. Up to the top deck. If we look, you see there the Call of Duty. You cannot see through it because it was not Gaussian blurred. Whereas if you look over here, I can still see through the man that I put on there. So that is how you repaint over the windows. I think a thing we should touch on is the front. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kill the bus quickly, and we'll use the same bus. Just show my desktop. Thank you. Let's go back here. Let's just open our base file. You know what? I needed those files I deleted. Let's just quickly... where is it? Come on. Okay, doesn't matter. We'll just open this. Open with Photoshop. I'm just going to quickly show you what happens on this front window here. I'm just going to use a text quickly. Let's make it a bright color. Okay. And yeah, that's fine. I'm just going to type in here this text. Okay, That's fine. And let's just now we just Control T to turn it sideways. And let's just drag it onto the window here and then resize it. Right. Okay. So there we have the file. I'm just going to save this as a BMP again. Okay. And then of course I want to save this as a PNG, sorry, because I want to add it to our TGA file. Save. Okay. Right. Let's just open that with Paint32 quickly, paint.net, and also open our TGA file. Come here, Control A, Control C, create a new layer, Control V. Okay, I'm just going to leave it like that for the repaint. Save as, just save actually, as a TGA, save. Okay, so now that that's done, okay, let's just quickly convert this file again with the repaint tool. I want you to see what happens when we import this straight into Omsi now. What you're going to see is what I was talking about when I say it reverses things. If I do that, I've got to open it in Paint quickly and save it. There we go. Okay, repaint tool. Yes. Show my desktop again. Right. This is called COD. And we're going to quickly put that into our compiled files so that we update those, and then also into our vehicle files. Texture verbing, wrong one. Texture verbing 92, there we go. And we should get told, do we want to overwrite? Yes, we do. Oops, and I also forgot. Omsi is not releasing the file. Okay, hang on. Yes. Okay. Cancel. What is going on? Compiled files. Let's just go Control C. Let's place all of them quickly. Overwrite all. There we go. So I've imported the TGA and I've imported the new front of the bus. Let's just load Omsi again. Actually, let's just start the situation with the same bus because it'll load the bus up quickly. That's fine. That can get closed. Okay. So what you should see now is that the writing is completely reversed. It's a mirror image. So what you have to do is you actually have to just create it as a mirror image in your paint. And this will, of course, I didn't load the damn bus. This will, of course, then when it repaints the bus, when it creates the mirror image, it's actually turning it the right way around. D92. and COD. In fact, there I can already see it's turned around. So let's just have a look. Yep, there we go. So as you see, it's flipped that text. So all you do is before you save your file, just go and take just that layer that you're working on and flip it um, flip it either horizontally or vertically, depending on which way your text is laying, and it will automatically come out like this in your paint file. And when it repaints it, it will flip it back, and it will be the right way. Same as if you're going to paint over here, it does the same. So you'll want to look at that. Um, Now, painting over the matrix and the side matrix and the rear matrix, if you download my templates that I've created, and it's only if you download my templates that you can do it, you do it exactly the same way that you've just repainted over a window. This will this will then basically block out where that is. You will still be able to see a line showing you the outline of where the matrix is. However, the matrix will be completely painted over and you won't be able to see the matrix. The line, unfortunately, I can't get rid of. That's actually in the model itself, where it creates this little like 3D edge there. That, unfortunately, I can't get rid of. But the actual glass effect with the matrix behind it has been changed. That in the templates you can repaint over it, and if you don't want to, it's still going to be there. If you do, it's gone. Right. And yeah, so that is the end of the tutorial. Look, if you've got any questions, you can contact me. Email me at admin@cyberhost.me. That's cyberhost at cyberhost.me. Email me with your questions. I don't mind answering. If you've got any problems, send me your files. Yeah, I need your compiled files and your non-compiled files, along with your CTI, so I can see where you've gone wrong. I'll have a look. I'll quite happily tell you, if I can sort it out, happily tell you where you went wrong and stuff like that. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope now there's a better understanding of what these repaints are all about and how to do them. And otherwise, see you in my next tutorial. And yeah, I think that's it for now. Cheers, guys.